What's up everybody? My name is Tany and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I clean my living room with my little helper. Before I started vacuuming the couch, I sprayed Lysol all over it to help kill the germs. And guys, stay tuned because I'll be making another video soon to go over some of the decorations around the house and more cleanings. As you can see here, I'm removing the cushions from the couch and vacuuming. As a mom of a young little boy, I try to do this once a week. I vacuum the cracks in the couch because there is always stuff hiding in there. Here I'm trying to remove a stain from my carpet using a Clorox wipes. I'm putting back the cushions in places. As you can see, my little one is very helpful. As a mom, I can't complain. It's a blessing. I love how he's always ready to help mommy around the house. At some point, he started getting annoyed because I wasn't letting him put the pillow in place. I bought this couch like a year ago when I moved into this house, and I have to tell you, it's still in a good condition, especially when I have a little one that touches everywhere and can't touch the couch. Here I'm using my Dyson V6. I also bought it when I moved in and I just love it. It gets the job done. Now that I'm done vacuuming and cleaning, I'm lighting some candles to make the place smells good. My little one excited singing happy birthday. By the way, my candles are from Bath and Body Works, and right now they're having their annual sale. Everything is like 70% off and 50% off. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope you like it, and if you do, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Show me some love. Bye.